let me start from here. No start. Say anything.
Whatever you do, you give it 100%. If you give it less, someone will outperform you.
Whether in your gym or in bed, you have
Whatever
to
it
give
is.
your
No,
100%.
even in earning money, or working somewhere, or you're working for yourself, or you started your own business, or you are working, you are like coming to gym and work on your body. You have to give it 100%. If you don't, someone will outperform you. And
I
someone
think I think I think you should visit TED Talks at least
No,
once.
even in classroom, if you don't focus more on your studies, someone will always be the best in your class.
I mean,
and you will be the last.
I mean if someone doing job and from 9 to 6, so is it necessary for them to come to gym? And I mean after doing all those works they become tired and all. So what do you think?
No, if you are doing a job from morning to like 6, then once you come back from the job, like take a shower, little bit rest, eat food, come gym for 30 to 40 minutes. You can work out, that can change your life. Something is always better than nothing. Remember this, something is always better than nothing.
And
No matter what.
and then after
Even
that
if
you are,
work out.
after doing workout you are to become very relaxed and confident.
Yeah,
Also.
and you sleep more also.
I even felt it. I mean really. I really felt it.
You can even sleep more. You feel like too much good. You feel more healthy also. And last thing, avoid sugar. Avoid excessive sugar. Sugar is very bad for the health. Very bad.
And also fast food.
Yeah, fast food obviously that is no. No to fast food.
Agree.
Eat healthy. There are some foods that you can eat from outside that are very healthy. But don't eat cheap foods because fast food are always cheap.
And any advice for teenagers who just joined gym and they are masturbating too much and addicted to porn and all?
Well-
what advice would you like to give to them?
Well, if you want to create a strength and like a powerful body, then masturbation is not good for you.
Agreed.
You don't have to do that. You have to be healthy. Go and get someone and enjoy together.
I mean, after I joined the gym after a long time, right? And what do you think about my progress?
No, you have progressive too.
I mean-
see, it's good.
Give me your feedback about me. I mean, I joined it after years, and it's only been a few weeks after I become confident and started coming gym daily. So what do you think about me?
Well, there's something we call muscle memory.
Yeah.
Once you work out before,
I
previously-
even posted about it in my status and story about muscle memory where I live to 110 and 102 kg deadlift. I do agree with you. on
So
this
there is a
topic.
muscle memory. Once you come back, you focus more in a short period of time. All your muscles, all your hard work that you did previously, it will come back easily. You don't need to start from scratch. You just have to start where you left. Something like this.
Your advice was really useful, man. Thank you so much.
Welcome, welcome.
And all the best to you guys.